ladycebuana here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna make cassava cake. Cassava cake is one of the classic favorite that is always present in Filipino cuisine. It's very easy to make. The challenge part is the shredding of cassava itself. It takes a lot of time if you want to make the fresh one, but thanks to the frozen section nowadays, where they have it available. And here are the ingredients: 2 pounds of grated cassava, 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk, 1 14-ounce can coconut milk, 1 13-ounce can coconut cream. Make sure you're gonna reserve 1/3 cup of each of these ingredients: the coconut milk, coconut cream, and the condensed milk. That is for the toppings. 1 12-ounce can evaporated milk, 2/3 cup sugar, 3 eggs, plus 3 egg whites, 1 cup grated coconut, 1 cup grated cheddar cheese. Reserve 1/2 cup of the grated cheese for the toppings. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't forget to set aside 1/3 cups each of condensed milk, coconut milk, and coconut cream. Remember, this is for the toppings later. In a large mixing bowl, whisk the 3 whole eggs plus the 3 egg whites with the sugar. Combine thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved. You can use a mixer for this, but I was so lazy for washing dishes later. Add the coconut cream, condensed milk, coconut milk, evaporated milk. Guys, you can substitute the evaporated milk with the whole milk if you don't have it available in your pantry. Since we're using cassava here, the consistency of our cake is stable enough. Trivia: do you know that transforming regular milk into evaporated milk by heating, it creates a thicker and creamier product, as well as mild caramel flavor? Add the grated cassava. Add the 1/2 cup grated cheddar cheese. Mix well. Pour equally into large grated pans. I used 2 9-inch circular pan. Bake until top is no longer liquid, approximately 45 minutes. While waiting for the cake to mix, remember those 1/3 parts of condensed milk, coconut milk, and coconut cream. Now mix those 3 ingredients plus 3 egg yolks. Combine thoroughly. Pour evenly on the 2 pans. Sprinkle the remaining 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese to both pans. Bake for another 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. Let it cool. Slice. Enjoy!